just explain to me what you're doing?
I'm photographing.
You're not supposed to be taking photographs here. They don't like it.
Can I have your name, please, sir?
No, because I need it.
Welcome back, family, to Cop Cam. This is where we uncover instances of police officers displaying unjust and authoritarian behavior while ignoring the public's constitutional rights. Imagine this. A man is peacefully recording from a safe distance outside the government communication headquarters. Suddenly, he's confronted by a lady cop with a "what's your name" attitude, demanding identification, even though no crime has been committed. Today's interaction is brought to you by Focus Pocus. Make sure to check out his channel and give him your support.
Morning, sir.
You alright?
Yeah. Can you just explain to me what you're doing?
I'm photographing.
You're not supposed to be taking photographs here. They don't like it.
What's the law though?
Pardon?
What's the law though?
There is no law, but there's signs up saying no photography, so they don't really like people taking photographs of the place.
Right.
I know.
I don't base my activities on what they like.
I'm not saying you shouldn't be doing it, but all I can say is any reason that you're doing it?
Yeah, there's a reason for everything that we do, isn't there?
Well, you tell me then.
Just making what I call a documentary.
I see.
It's
Right.
a light-hearted look at comings and goings of a place like this, and then I put music to it.
Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Where do you put that then?
Just upload it to a YouTube channel.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Can I ask who you are? Are you local then?
I am today, yeah.
You are today. What does that mean?
Well, I'm here for the day.
What, you live in here? You're in a hotel
No,
or something?
no.
Oh, you've just got in the car or something, have you?
Asking a lot of questions for a lawful activity.
That's the nature of my job, really, isn't it?
Okay, well, I know that I don't have to account for a lawful activity, so...
Okay. Okay, well, can I ask your name then?
Focus, you can call me.
Focus?
Yeah.
I see, okay. Do you intend staying here long then?
I don't know, it depends on the weather, it depends on what... I
Really?
think I might get a shot of the big dish and that, and some of the cameras and anything else.
Do you do this for a living then?
No.
It's like a part-time sort of hobby thing, is it?
It's recreation, yeah.
Right.
Thought I'd have some fun before they ban it, you know.
Listen, I sympathise with you. I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong and that, just that they are a bit sensitive about the place for obvious reasons. Which is why we're here as well.
Irrational. I think it's paranoia.
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm not
Guy with a
good for
camera.
that. Obviously, if this was in a different country, in a different place, it wouldn't be where it is. Obviously, if this was in a different country, in a different place, it wouldn't be where it is. So, so, I mean, there's not a lot we can do. It's just the fact that...
Are you prepared to give us your details so we spoke to you? Just so
No, because you don't need them, do you? Well, why would you need them?
We don't.
Well, it always
I'm
seems
just
to be a
saying.
fishing exercise, doesn't it? I mean, it doesn't matter who I am, because it doesn't make me any less dangerous or more dangerous just because you know my first name or my second name, does it?
Okay.
Would you agree with
I was
that?
only asking if you're prepared to give me your details, that was all.
No, I think I'll keep them to myself. Can I ask what your name is, please?
My name's PC Griffin.
PC Griffin, and you 1871?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's yours, please?
I'm PC Byrne.
PC Byrne.
Yeah.
B-Y-R-N-E.
Very good.
Yeah?
How did you know that then? Educated guess.
Research. Hostile reconnaissance. And it's 2007.
Correct,
Okay.
Yes. So you know our names. Can we ask your name then?
No, because I don't like where my name ends up if I give it to you. I was looking at the websites the other day for the police, and I saw that most of the misconduct hearings were to do with confidentiality, where they're looking at the database then giving it to a third party. So I just simply don't trust the police, I'm afraid. Yeah.
Okay, well, just bear in mind that they are going to be watching you on camera and that, so...
No worries.
You can understand why we come out and spoke to you, can't you? Just because
No.
you see someone out the front and we just thought, just come out and just inquire what you're doing, that was all.
I think it's paranoia.
I'm not denying, I'm not confirming or denying what you're saying. It's just the fact that there is a sensitive government establishment, and they just sort of, when people turn up with big cameras like you've got and start taking photos.
Okay.
That's all it is. So we're not here to chase you off or cause any sort of harm or anything to you. We just came out to check out that you're not sort of any threat to the place, or that's all it is.
Have I satisfied that curiosity.
Not really.
Okay.
There's not much we can do, is there, really? So,
Okay.
we can't stop you doing that. It's just the fact that. So are you filming on that little GoPro?
Filming on the GoPro, and taking photographs and film on the
Okay.
on the Canon.
Okay. Fair enough.
Oh well, it's been nice talking to you. Thank you for being cordial.
Okay. So okay then, well we'll just tell you, just don't make a nuisance of yourself any more than
I can't.
any
If I'm
more
doing
than
a
you are.
lawful
No,
activity,
no,
I can't.
I totally agree.
cannot.
I totally agree, and thank you for being candid with us. And,
Okay.
And, we'll let you get on with your.
Thank you.
I wasn't going to say lawful business, but yeah, just carry on then.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See ya. Bye now.
Cheers.
Hiya, you alright? Yeah, I am.
Sensitive site, so I'm to be asking you some questions.
Okay.
Okay. What are you taking photos of?
Anything I can
PCSO
see.
Cindy Walton, by the way.
Right, what's your number, please?
PCSO Cindy Walton, I said.
Yeah, what's your number? 9160. Okay.
Yeah. So, what are you taking photos of?
Anything I can see, really. Or everything.
Okay. Why here?
Why not?
Okay.
It was top of my options list.
Top of your options list.
Yeah.
Take your name, please, sir. Okay.
Okay, what crime do you suspect me of
It's a
committing?
sensitive site, so
Didn't ask you that.
you're not going anywhere.
Are you detaining me?
I will be detaining you.
Are you
yes.
detaining me now?
Yes, I'm detaining you.
Can
sir.
you let me know when the detainment has ended, please?
Yeah, I'm sure he's just coming round, so I don't need to
Okay.
keep it going for too long.
Alright, who's this?
He's MOD.
Oh, he's...
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I have
see
your
that
name,
issue?
please, sir?
No, because I need it.
Apart from 9160, can you create me an incident, please? GCHQ, man with a camera refusing to give his details. MOD police have just turned up. Well, I think they're MOD. MOD?
Yeah.
I've just happened to be passing.
Yeah.
Had you already been told?
Yeah, we know.
He's refusing his details at the
I
minute.
know. We've had a chat with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you know who he is already?
Yes. Yeah. Well, no. He won't give us his details either.
Oh, okay.
Don't delete that, please. I'd like to foil that. Okay, I've just been unlawfully detained, so I should go.
I was just going to detain him until...
No, you have detained me.
Because it'd be...
You have detained me. Do you not remember? It's all on camera if you want me to remind you. You just detained me.
Actually, I don't need to detain you, to be fair.
Well, don't forget, let me know when you finish detaining me.
No, I don't need to.
Yes, you do.
But I do need your name, please.
I'm sorry,
Because
but
you're
you
a
do
sensitive
need to
site.
let me
And
know.
you're not telling me what you're taking photos of.
Okay, you'll have to let me know when the detainment is finished.
What are you taking photos of? You've been here today, then.
Well, I've just said everything.
So you've been here all morning.
No.
I've just said everything, so that really
Earlier on as well.
Yeah, we
encompasses everything.
came up when he was across the road there.
Okay, if you're being ignorant to me, I'm not talking to you anymore. You ask me a question, then you start talking to this officer.
But you haven't answered
You
my
asked,
questions.
you asked me what I was photographing, and I said everything. I can't really give you a better list than everything, can I? You take your pick of whatever is within everything that you have a problem with. Is this your backup?
How are you playing it then, guys?
By the law, unlike you. See ya.
And that's how the lady officer got humbled after trying to impose her authority without cause. Remember, folks, it's crucial to know your rights. For an officer to detain or arrest you, there must be probable cause of a crime. And don't forget, the Fifth Amendment gives you the right to remain silent when questioned by a cop without probable cause. Do you think the officer learned her lesson? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out this video for more police-citizen interactions.